Puerto Inca is located in the Amazon part of Huánuco. We have a lot to explore. If you like nature, this is the right place. Volunteer help up to 15 hours a week in our project here in Semillas Life. Depending on your skills, you can either teach English, teaching German. Volunteers can help with the, gardening, creating websites, or taking photos, videos. We provide accommodation, we provide different trips to the jungle. Also, we do camping in the jungle. We teach them how to cook some Peruvian dishes.
What are you making?
I'm making causa rellena. And now little by little, we're growing. We're building new places to stay here. Okay, volunteers come from different parts of the world. We have a lot of fun with them, like going swimming, having some parties, learning from their culture. Volunteers are the soul of the project. Without volunteers, we can do much. We are on Workaway, we are on World Packers, we are on Volunteer World, we are on Volunteer Latin America, on Instagram, on Facebook, at Semillas Life. Volunteers also can find us on our website, semillaslife.org. Yes, we are at different platforms in different places.